Hey guys, today I want to talk about the different types of powder and why you can't use pistol powder in a rifle, for example. So let's get into it. So you have your faster burning powders up here, and then you have your slowest burning powders down here. So essentially these are going to be your pistol, and specifically your pistols when you're shooting lighter bullets. As you get heavier, you're going to use slower burning powders. Or less charge of the faster ones, and then as you get to the rifles with longer barrels, you want your powder to burn very slowly throughout the whole thing, throughout the whole barrel. Then you'll use these slower burning powders, and so that's the biggest reason you can't use pistol powder in a rifle, because your pistol powder will burn so much faster that you'll get insane pressures, and then you'll blow up your barrel, and bad things will happen to you, and you might die. So don't do that. Just work up loads, and I have a whole video on that. So essentially, of these powders, there's three main styles, and they'll all be a little bit different on this list, but here are the three main styles. So first up this is a slower burning powder, and you'll see that they're in chunks. And then you have another type of powder that they're in like small spherical balls. So this is what I use in my 6.5 Creedmoor hunting rifle, and then this is what I use in my AR-15. And then your pistol powders are typically flaked powders, so they burn really fast. So you'll notice that the rate at which the powder burns is directly proportional to the amount of surface area on the powder. So these flakes have a ton of surface area, where these per the amount of powder, and then these granules don't exactly have a whole lot of surface area per the amount of powder. So that's pretty much it between the different types of powders. Again, if you're reloading, you'll always want to work up the loads and all that. So that's pretty much it. But how about we try to burn the powder? That might be fun. So let's do that. Okay, so one common misconception with gunpowder is that it explodes. It actually doesn't explode. It actually just burns really fast. And you'll see that here, that it won't just explode and hit my camera back. It's just going to burn here in the pan. It's going to be no big deal. Obviously, I do have safety glasses, so let's watch this. So here we go. And there you go. Just kind of burns. Okay, so that was the slowest burning powder. This is for a lighter bullet. So in my 6.5 Creedmoor, I'm using a 129 grain bullet. Another typical one is like 140 grain bullet. So just heavier bullets. Typical 223 bullets are like 55 or 62 grains. So this powder is going to burn much faster. And I've kind of clumped it together so you can see that. Anyway, so let's watch this. Okay, so here's the pistol powder. Let's watch it, and this will go the fastest. So there's the pistol powder. See, it's like practically all gone. Okay, so now you know a little bit more about gunpowder, and you've also learned that gunpowder doesn't explode, contrary to what you might actually think. So if you have any other questions about different types of powders and what they're used for or anything like that, go ahead and put that in the comments below. Okay, thanks guys.